in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson Expression Premium XP-900 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Epson Expression Premium XP-900 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an Epson Expression Premium XP-900 support page hosted on Epson.com. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select the Epson product setup file and go ahead and download that. And then once you've had it downloaded onto your system, open it up. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes. And then proceed with the installer, getting it configured based on your preferred preferences, optional features you may want to install, that sort of thing. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.